In this video, I'll show you how to add channel topic in Discord server or in Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. What we're going to do right now, you're going to head over to your Discord server, right? And I'm going to add a channel topic to one of these channels right here. So I want to use the general chat. I'll click on here, edit channel. You can see the channel topic. I can come on here. I'll type in this channel allows everyone to communicate, right? To communicate. So once I'm done, I'm going to click on the save changes. So this is how I just added a channel name to this particular channel, right? So if you click on, I think, this general chat, if you click on it, you're going to see the topic right here or at the top right. This channel allows everyone to communicate. If you found this video helpful, share it with us below in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in the very next one.